SEBI Recruitment 2024, Assistant Manager 97 posts. So SEBI Recruitment 2024 notification for Assistant Manager vacancy. The Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, invites application for Indian citizens for the post of Officers Grade A, Assistant Manager, for the General Stream, a Legal Stream, Information Technology Stream, Engineering Electrical Stream, Research Stream, and Official Language Stream. Number of posts: 1 post name, Assistant Manager General. Number of posts: 62 posts. Essential qualification: master degree or postgraduate diploma. Minimum 2 years duration in any disciples. Bachelor's degree in law. Bachelor's degree in engineering from a recognized university, institute, or charter accountant, a charter financial analyst, company secretary, cost accountant. So number 2, post name Assistant Manager Legal. Number of posts: 5. Essential qualification: bachelor degree in law from a recognized university or institute. Desirable experience or essential qualification: 2 years post qualification experience as an advocate, including as an associate in an advocate's or solicitor office or law firms after being enrolled under the Advocates Act 1961, 25 of 1961. Number 3, post name Assistant Manager Information Technology. Number of post 24. Essential qualification: bachelor degree in engineering in any branch or bachelor degree in any disciples with a postgraduate qualification. Minimum 2 years duration in computer science, computer application, information technology from a recognized university or institute. Number 4, post name Assistant Manager Engineering Electrical. Number of post 2. Essential qualification: bachelor's degree in electrical engineering from a recognized university or institute. Desirable experience: working knowledge of electronic system like CCTV surveillance system, addressable security alarm and fire alarm systems, EPABX, UPS systems, extra. Experience in maintenance of lifts, pumps, air conditioning plants, extra. Experience in administering construction projects in all its aspects and knowledge of PRT or CPM techniques. Number 5, post name Assistant Manager Research. Number of post 2. Essential qualification: master degree, postgraduate diploma, minimum 2 years duration in economics, commerce, business administration, econometrics, quantitative economics, financial economics, mathematical economics, business economics, agricultural economics, industrial economics, business analytics, or master degree, postgraduate diploma, minimum 2 years duration in finance, quantitative finance, mathematical finance, quantitative techniques, international finance, business finance, international and trade finance, project and infrastructure finance, agri-business finance. Or master degree, postgraduate diploma, minimum 2 years duration in statistics, mathematical statistics, statistics and informatics, applied statistics and informatics, the data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data analytics, or master degree in mathematics and a 1-year postgraduate diploma in statistics or related subjects from a recognized university or institute. Number 6, post name Assistant Manager Official Language. Number of post 2, essential qualification: master degree in Hindi, Hindi translation with English as a subject at a bachelor degree level, or master degree in Sanskrit, English, economics, commerce with Hindi as a subject at a bachelor degree level, or master degree in both English and Hindi, Hindi translation from a recognized university. Salary: the pay scale of officers in grade A is Rs 44,500 to 54,500 to 74,450 to 85 89,850 to 89,150 in 17 years. Presently, the gross emolument, including SEBI's contribution towards the National Pension Schemes (NPS), grids allowance, special allowance, dearness allowance, family allowance, local allowance, learning allowance, and special grids allowance extra at Mumbai, and the minimum of the skill is approximately rupees 1,49,500 per month without accommodation and rupees 1,11,000 per month with accommodation. Age limit for the following posts are: a candidate must not have exceeded the age of 30 years as on 31st March 2024. That is, the candidate must have been born on or after April 1st, 1994. Relaxation in age limit will be given as per applicable rule. Now, how to apply for SEBI Recruitment 2024 Assistant Manager vacancy. Interested and eligible candidates may apply online through the SEBI Recruitment portal, that is www.sebi.gov.in, from 30th of April 2024. Last date of submission of online application to be updated later. So for the application fees, rupees thousands as application fee cum intimation charge plus 18% of GST for unreserved OBC and EWS category, and rupees 100 as intimation charge plus 18% GST for SC/ST PWBD candidates. For the disclaimer, this is not a detailed advertisement and it's only meant as an advance intimation of recruitment. So for the details advertisement and the online application link will be available on April 13, 2024.